Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at how we can create posts for online recruitment. Now, if you want to create ads or posts for online recruitment for different positions, we first need to create posts. So for that, we need to first go to settings. Okay. In settings, we have to go to HRM settings. In HRM settings, we have to go to recruitment settings. Okay. So in job openings postmaster, we have to select which type, for what type we are taking the post for. Then the post for is for primary teacher, English teacher. Okay. Then what job description you have, or what kind of job they are going to have, you can have write a job description. And you can add information updated successfully. Now in your postmaster, you'll be able to see all the job postings or the job profiles you have created, and you'll be able to see the post and job description. Now if you have anything that you want to edit, or if you feel that this is made wrong, you want to delete, you can do that from here itself. Now if you want to see the post, if you want to see how the form looks like, you simply have to do one thing. So in the link, where you type the link, you simply have to write your school's name. For example, right now, dipesh.prisms.in, you can have your school's name / online recruitment. Okay, online recruitment. Then once you put your school name and / online recruitment, you'll be able to see the recruitment form. And you can also check the post that you have added for. So if you want to confirm how the form looks like, or you want to check, then you can simply type your school's name.prisms.in, your school's portal name.prisms.in / online recruitment. And you also have to remember that once you create a post, if you want to share it on your social media handles or any other platform, that be WhatsApp, you just have to share this link to your prospective candidates or to whom you are advertising it for, so they'll be able to fill this form up and apply for it. Thank you.